dedicated. We dedicated. I wanna know if you.
Hey guys, Augie Johnson, BallerBootCamp.com. Today I'm going to be breaking down one of my favorite players' moves, Kevin Durant. He uses this double crossover all the time, and basically what it is two Allen Iverson crossovers back to back. Okay, so this is a very impressive move for somebody that's as tall as him and as big as him. And today I'm going to go ahead and show you guys what it looks like, give you guys a few details, and even give you a drill that you can use to work on this move at the very end of this video. So watch till the end, and I'm going to go ahead and cut and show you what it looks like live.
I won't make it rain cause I gotta get that change. Like Ice-T said at the factory, bitches bagging me, all type of savory, blazing me. Seen the white spice like Play said. I'm trying to get that great head, trying to see what they said. Talking about break bread, I'm like nah, chill bitch, dead it. Chill bitch, swipe it on your debit. Fuck it, I know you got credit, or else bitch, you never would've said it. Now I'm sounding like Cam, yes I gotta say niggas is in a tight jam. Niggas see them, niggas. Oh, had to take a break, I came right back. Niggas see me, they know I'm like that. I got the right back, got my sight back. I'm acting like Mike Jack. 100 bunch of zippers, Dolphins, 100 flippers. You got 100 trippers.